Have you ever wondered why studying mathematics is important? Or why should you bother about equations, algebra, or calculus? A fascinating world of numbers, patterns, and principles, mathematics is more than just a subject. It's a universal language, a tool that helps us understand the world around us. It's like a puzzle waiting to be solved, a mystery to be unlocked. But why does it matter? Why should you invest your time and energy in understanding the intricate web of numbers and symbols that is mathematics? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not just about solving equations or doing complex calculations. It's about developing a way of thinking, a perspective that can help you in various aspects of your life. So, stay with us. In the next few minutes, we will unravel the reasons why studying VCE General Mathematics, or mathematics in general, is a smart choice. One of the most compelling reasons to study mathematics is that it is good for your brain. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does math boost my brain function? Well, let's dive into that. Imagine your brain as a complex network of wires, each one responsible for different functions. Studying mathematics is like sending electricity down these wires, sparking activity and strengthening connections. Each time you solve a math problem, you're not just finding the value of x or calculating the area of a circle. You're lighting up parts of your brain involved in logic, reasoning, and decision-making. Think of it this way. When you exercise, you're not just building muscle. You're also improving your heart health, boosting your immune system, and even enhancing your mood. Similarly, when you study mathematics, you're not just learning numbers and equations. You're strengthening your brain, improving its overall function. Mathematics requires you to follow complex processes, to think critically, to make decisions based on logic and reasoning. And each time you do this, you're training your brain to think more effectively and efficiently. You're teaching it to approach problems from different angles, to find solutions in unexpected places. But it's not just about solving problems. Mathematics also trains your brain to see patterns, to recognize relationships between numbers and concepts. This ability to see patterns and connections is a fundamental aspect of human intelligence. It's what allows us to make sense of the world around us, to understand complex systems, to predict outcomes. And here's something really interesting. Studies have shown that students who study mathematics regularly have brains that are physically different from those who don't. Their brains are more symmetrical, with more connections between the left and right hemispheres. This suggests that studying mathematics can literally reshape your brain, making it more balanced and interconnected. So the next time you're grappling with a tough math problem, remember this. You're not just learning about numbers. You're building a stronger, more agile brain. You're developing skills that will serve you well in every aspect of life, from decision-making to problem-solving to understanding the world around you. So, when you're solving those complex math problems, you're essentially giving your brain a workout. Mathematics also helps in developing an eye for detail. Let's delve into how. Mathematics, as you might know, is a discipline that demands precision. It's a world where a slight slip of the pen, a small miscalculation, or an overlooked detail can lead you down a drastically different path, often landing you far from the correct answer. This necessity for exactness in mathematics fosters an acute attention to detail. For instance, consider solving a complex equation. A single digit or symbol misplaced, misunderstood, or forgotten can change the entire outcome, making your answer incorrect. This isn't just about getting the right answer in a math problem, but it translates into a life skill. It conditions your mind to be meticulous, to double-check, and to pay close attention to the small things that could have big impacts. Over time, as you navigate through the labyrinth of numbers, symbols, and equations, you'll find yourself becoming more and more attentive to details. You'll start spotting patterns faster, catching discrepancies quicker, and you'll become more adept at identifying potential errors. This is not just limited to the realm of mathematics, but extends to all areas of life. Imagine being able to spot a tiny error in a massive report, or noticing a small inconsistency that could have led to a significant problem down the line. These are the skills that studying mathematics can help you develop. Moreover, this attention to detail also enhances your analytical thinking skills. It helps you break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, examine each element in detail, and then synthesize them to arrive at a solution. Therefore, the precision required in mathematics is not a burden, but rather a gift. It's a tool that hones your attention to detail, making you more meticulous, observant, and analytical. So the next time you find yourself solving a math problem, remember, you're not just finding x or calculating angles. You're training your brain to pay more attention to the little things, to be more precise, and to be more detail-oriented. Hence, studying mathematics makes you more attentive and detail-oriented. Another benefit of studying mathematics is the enhancement of problem-solving skills. Imagine you're faced with a tricky puzzle. It's complex, it's intricate, and it's got you stumped. But instead of giving up, you decide to tackle it head-on. That's what studying mathematics teaches us to do. It pushes us to face problems with courage and determination, to not shy away, but instead to dissect the problem and find a solution. Mathematics is like a gym for your brain, strengthening its ability to solve problems. It equips you with the tools to break down complex issues into manageable parts. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. You don't solve it all at once, but rather, you tackle it one small step at a time. Mathematics helps us develop logical thinking. It teaches us to look at a problem in a systematic way, to understand the patterns, to make connections, and to find the solution. It's about using logic and reasoning to make sense of the world around us. But it's not just about solving mathematical problems. The problem-solving skills developed in mathematics can be applied to everyday life. When you're trying to figure out the best route to take to avoid traffic, when you're budgeting for your monthly expenses, or when you're deciding how to best use your time, you're using mathematical principles. Mathematics teaches us to be rational thinkers. It encourages us to question, to probe, and to seek solutions. It promotes creativity and encourages innovative thinking. It fosters a mindset of perseverance, of not giving up when faced with a challenge. So you see, mathematics is more than just numbers and equations. It's a way of thinking, a way of understanding the world. It's about finding solutions, making decisions, and overcoming challenges. It's about developing resilience, perseverance, and a never-give-up attitude. So, with mathematics, you're not just learning numbers, you're learning life skills. Did you know that studying mathematics can open up a world of career opportunities? Let's delve into the myriad of career paths that can be unlocked with a solid foundation in mathematics. First off, there's the obvious one: engineering. Engineers, whether they're designing bridges, programming robots, or creating new technologies, need to use mathematical concepts every day. This isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about using mathematical thinking to solve real-world problems. Then there's the world of data analysis. In this digital age, companies are dealing with a staggering amount of data. They need people who can make sense of this data, find patterns, and make predictions. This requires a strong understanding of statistics and probability, which are key areas in mathematics. Finance is another field where mathematics plays a pivotal role. If you've ever dreamed of being a Wall Street whiz or a financial advisor, you'll need to understand complex mathematical models. It's not just about balancing your checkbook. It's about understanding risk, return, and the time value of money. These are just a few examples. There are many other fields where mathematics is integral, such as physics, computer science, economics, and even certain areas of art and design where geometry and spatial understanding are crucial. And let's not forget about teaching. If you love mathematics and enjoy sharing your knowledge with others, becoming a mathematics teacher could be a rewarding career path. You could inspire the next generation of mathematicians and problem solvers. So you see, mathematics isn't just about solving equations and getting the right answer. It's a way of thinking, a tool for understanding the world, and a key that can unlock a wide range of career opportunities. It equips you with problem-solving skills, logical reasoning, and attention to detail, which are valuable in any job market. So, studying mathematics doesn't just make you smarter, it can also make your career prospects brighter. So there you have it, a handful of reasons why studying mathematics is a smart choice. It's not just about numbers and equations, but a discipline that hones your brain to function at its best. Mathematics trains you to pay attention to the minutest details, and in doing so, it shapes you into a keen observer. It also nurtures your problem-solving skills, teaching you to approach challenges logically and systematically. And let's not forget, The wide array of career opportunities that open up for those who have a strong foundation in mathematics is truly impressive. From engineering to economics, from technology to teaching, the list is practically endless. It's clear that mathematics is much more than a subject. It's a tool that equips you with skills and knowledge that are invaluable in real life. Remember, every math problem you solve is a step towards becoming a more logical, detail-oriented, and problem-solving individual. So embrace mathematics and let it shape your future.